About 5 years ago, P2 decided to partner with ProcessMaker to alleviate some of the complexity around the processing within the upstream oil and gas sector. We chose ProcessMaker over other BPM solutions due to the robust API platform, the ability to embed ProcessMaker within our products, but also for ease of use. We wanted to be able to get up and running fast and allow our customers to have the autonomy, if they so choose, to build out their own workflows. We wanted to enable our customers to aim for and achieve continuous process improvements, as well as allow them to improve cross-department communication and eliminate the bottlenecks caused by inefficient processes. I like to call P2 Workflow, powered by ProcessMaker, a cross-department, cross-domain, whole office solution.